Okay, everyone, I'm in a green bean, okay? Remember. So if you wanna join my private server, add friend me, okay? It's in the part 1. Part 1. It's connected to part 1. Part 1. Sorry for the interruption. It's just my friends. Okay, guys. Everyone mute kung everyone mute kung sino Team Jandel. Look. Oh wait, guys, look. They're gonna mute because they're Team Jandel. Hey, these are my friends, okay? They muted. Zyder. Zyder, mute if you're Team Jandel. Okay, you're Team Sammy. Team Sammy. Okay, these two are Team Jandel, but first of all, why is Yoon Jae playing Steel Brain Rot? But he's Team Jandel. Now, if you're Team Jandel, please comment. But if you say let Crocodile die! I swear to God, I'm gonna track you down, guys. Then, I'm gonna bring Diddy. Like P. Diddy right now. So if you're Team Sammy. Now, like, describe about them. Tomorrow, later I will check your comment. Come on, like, guys. Guys, I'm just gonna speak in my language, okay? Zyder, mute ka. Pag ikaw hindi ka nag-mute, hindi ka Team Sammy. Ay, hindi ka Team Jandel. Team Sammy to si Zyder. Hindi nag-mute. Hindi ganyan, hindi sa real life.
I-mute ko lang, gamit ang paa ko. Naka-mute na.
Hindi.
Ayun, tignan mo.
Nauusap ka. So, bakit ka nauusap? Okay.
Gamit na ako ng old video ko.
So, also, I'm just gonna do an animation real quick. Change my mind, bro. I don't want to make an animation. I'm lazy. But, I got this Devastator.
Tignan nyo.
Okay, go. What will you say?
Nothing. Please, I don't want to quit. Grow a Garden because I love Grow a Garden. Please, don't remove Grow a Garden because I love Grow a Garden. Please.